Hello, in this video we are going to learn scatter plot here. So scatter plot is also available in the SeaBorn library, Python library for data visualization. Here scatter plot displays a group of dots scattered all over the xy plane. Suppose if you look into this graph, so this is a scatter plot here. It's a data points here. So data points nothing but intersection between the x-axis and y-axis here. So those data points are scattered all over the xy plane is nothing but a scatter plot here. So these points represents a relation between two variables, means columns here, two columns. We can create a scatter plot using scatter plot function available in the SeaBorn library. So with the simple example, we will create the scatter plot here. Okay, simple. Write a Python program to display scatter plot by taking horsepower on x-axis and acceleration on y-axis. So find out the relation between horsepower and acceleration. We have to take x-axis horsepower and y-axis and acceleration, and we have to find out the relationship. What kind of relationship is there between these two columns? Okay, so to use this horsepower acceleration column, we have to import this dataset here, mpg dataset. So just three steps we can create this scatter plot. First we have to import the packages, matplotlib packages, SeaBorn packages. So in SeaBorn packages, this load with the help of load underscore dataset function, we can import this mpg dataset here. Okay, this mpg dataset has this origin and acceleration and the horsepower here. Okay, so we have to take the x-axis acceleration and y-axis horsepower, right? So x-axis acceleration and y-axis horsepower on x-axis and acceleration on y-axis here, right? Horsepower on x-axis. So to create scatter plot, we have to use the scatter plot function, sns dot scatter plot. So which data we are using? mpg. Data is equal to mpg. So on x-axis, which column we have to take it? On x-axis, horsepower. On y-axis, acceleration. Y-axis acceleration, right? And we have to plot the labels here. Simple, we have to display the labels. So to display the label, simple plot dot x label horsepower and y label acceleration. Right, and just show here a simple three steps to create a scatter plot. First import the import the packages here, matplotlib package and SeaBorn package, and import the load dataset mpg using your load underscore dataset function. Import this dataset here, mpg dataset. In this mpg dataset we have different columns available here. So cylinders, displacement, horsepower, weight available. So to know the relation between the acceleration horsepower, just take x-axis horsepower and y-axis acceleration with the help of scatter plot function available in the SeaBorn library, and display the labels here and show method use display the scatter plot. Simple. See, these are scatter plot here. Okay, observe here. These are data points here. So what kind of relation we find here using scatter plot here? X-axis horsepower, acceleration. So when horsepower increases, acceleration decreases here. Okay, so when horsepower is increasing here, observe here, horsepower is increasing here, acceleration is decreasing here. Observe here, acceleration decreasing. When horsepower is high, acceleration low. When horsepower is low, acceleration is high. So this kind of relationship is called as, it's a negative relationship, I think so, because when one increases or decreases, it is a negative relationship here. Observe here. And also if you want to different data points has different country of origin. Okay, so if you want to draw which data points has which country of origin, just you have to write here hue equal to origin in this scatter plot function. Hue is equal to origin has different countries here. Okay, origin has different country names in the data set here. If you observe this data set, just execute it. Observe here. Okay, see, origin USA, blue color is USA, Japan yellow color, and orange color Europe is green color here. Okay, different country origin, right? So that's about the scatter plot here. Scatter plot, to find the relation between the two columns, you have to use the scatter plot. And hue means here use it to visualize the data of different categories in one plot, right? And this is negative. We can find this data set contains a negative relation between the acceleration horsepower here. Okay, so that's about the scatter plot. And if you in next video we will see the joint plot. Okay.